Moving on to our next category, which is digital AI and data. Digital AI and data. Who are the three lucky, or well, not lucky, but well-deserved finalists of this category?
NETZSCH Process Intelligence is the youngest member within the NETZSCH family with its more than 4,000 employees globally. To tackle plastics and composites manufacturing challenges, we combine a team of process and material experts, data scientists and AI architects, electronics developers, as well as cloud and software developers. Our product, SenseXpert Digital Mold, is a digital process map achieving new levels of process understanding and control. It combines advanced measuring hardware and material science with artificial intelligence, driving stability and sustainability. SenseXpert Digital Mold provides unseen insights into manufacturing processes and the material behavior inside, thereby enabling cycle time reduction and dynamic cycle times, scrap reduction based on real-time process parameter adaptations due to the material behavior and material irregularities, reduction in energy costs per single part, and a reduction in downtimes while giving insights into the process.
Quality assurance is an extremely important part of composite manufacturing process. Main goal of this research is to develop a framework for improving the AFP manufacturing rates by reducing the labor-intensive manual inspection and also improve the quality of production or reduce the scrap rate through big data analytics. IAMIS system has two main elements. One is the hardware, the inspection system that's attached to the automated fiber placement head, as well as a augmented reality visualization module to visualize the defects. The second part of the IAMIS is the software element, which includes a machine learning algorithm to detect the defects with higher accuracy than a human would do. And the other element is the AI component, where we can look at certain patterns and continuously improve our manufacturing process.
So there we have it, digital AI and data category. Again, three well-deserved finalists. We'll find out in a moment who's going to walk away a winner. There's actually just looking at some of the comments across social media in terms of what's unfolding right now. There's actually a comment that's come through that has said, what an impressive award that is so high from the ground. So I guess going by that comment, somebody thinks this is actually the whole award. It's not the whole award, although I'm sure, imagine this going back on the plane back to Tokyo. I'm sure you couldn't do it, and it's a little bit heavy as well. So unfortunately, although it would be a fantastic award, the whole thing, it's not. It's just this beautiful tip on the top. Right, let's move on now to our jury member who's going to share with us, reveal who the winner is of this category. Please welcome to our virtual stage right now, UK Innovations Manager from Ford Motor Company, Mr. Alan Banks. Alan, are you there?
I am indeed. Hope you can hear me.
We can hear you, we can see you. Where are you right now, I wonder?
I'm in our Research and Innovation Centre in Dunton, which is about 35 miles from London.
Okay, is everybody off work right now? Is it a bank holiday at the moment? 'Cause there's nobody in there at all, or is it just you? Or is it a remote office and you've been pulled in for this at work?
You would certainly think so. No, it's we're still doing a hybrid working arrangement since COVID, and I guess luckily I'm the only person in this particular pen today.
It looks like a really big office to do exactly as you wish. But hey, that's for another time. What's important right now is you sharing with us who this lucky winner is.
Absolutely. So this has been a really close call for this award. I have the envelope here, and the winner is the National Institute for Aviation Research at Wichita State University.
And directly with us right now, beaming through the power of technology, we have the winner, Waruna Senarivinare. Is that right? Probably not, but it doesn't matter because you're a winner. Who cares? Right. How does it feel? Where are you right now?
We're in Wichita, Kansas. It's basically right in the smack middle of the United States.
Smack middle in the United States. I can see you sitting there and your team behind you smiling and looking embarrassed but very happy, I'm sure, as well. How does it feel to be a winner?
It feels great. This is a great honor, especially with all the inventors around the world that JEC touches. For us composite nerds, this is like a Super Bowl of composites. So, and you know, this team worked very hard. This is an industry solution that takes Industry 3.0 technologies, like you see in the behind me, the robots, and really unlock the potential of these robots with machine learning, artificial intelligence, and taking all of these technologies into Industry 4.0, creating this cyber-physical manufacturing environment where we can improve the quality, the connectivity, and the productivity. So I also want to thank our sponsors for this research program from the U.S. Office of Naval Research, as well as the U.S. Air Force Research Lab, some of our industry partners like Joby Aviation, Northrop Grumman, because this is an industry solution. As a matter of fact, Joby integrated one of our prototypes in their production machine, so we're very, very proud of that. I also want to thank our NIAR Atlas team behind me. I have Taraka, Luke, Aaron Jones, and Saris. And I also want to thank our AFP team here, led by Kevin Morgan. And we look forward to be at JEC World, and we'll be proudly showcasing the JEC Award in our booth at JEC World.
And we're looking forward to seeing you and having those conversations with you back here in Paris. But last, I'm going to ask you now, not actually to you. This is actually for the team behind you, guys behind. How do you think your boss should celebrate with you on this win? What would you like to do that your boss will be in charge of in terms of celebrating? How should your boss treat you? I'm sure you'll figure that out, but hopefully you'll be joining us all here in Paris in a couple of months. Once again, well done, and we'll be not sending you all of this. We'll be sending you this straight through the post, and hopefully it'll be with you very shortly indeed. Once again, congratulations on winning this category.
Thank you very much.
And thank you, Alan, for being with us, sharing the winner, and enjoy the whole evening on your own in your office. Right. Okay, let's move on now to our next category. I'm sure Alan's not going to be all on his own. Well, he still is on his own. That's fine. I'm sure Alan won't be on his own throughout the whole evening. I'm sure. Well, I don't know. There's probably a lot of things you could be doing on your own in your office and nobody there. Right.